Here's the news of the day. ANRA Technologies partnered with Flyby guys to advance drone operations and airspace management across Europe. The Unmanned Aerial Systems Centre of Excellence is investing $8.7 million in Quebec to create state-of-the-art drone testing facilities, boosting the region's aerospace industry. The Vertical Flight Society will host its 8th AAM infrastructure workshop on September 17th to 18, 2024 in Washington, focused on developing eVTOL infrastructure with FAA and industry experts. The salmon community celebrated the 5th anniversary of Air Idaho Rescue, recognizing their vital role in providing fast, life-saving emergency air medical care in the remote Lemhi County area. SkyDrive and Osaka Metro are partnering to explore eVTOL feasibility in Osaka after Expo 2025, bringing urban air mobility closer to reality. EHang reported a 9-fold increase in Q2 revenue, marking a strong recovery with record deliveries and major international partnerships, signaling robust growth in the eVTOL sector. H3 Dynamics was selected by the EU-funded HypoTrade project to supply hydrogen fuel cell systems for developing hybrid electric powertrains, aiming for hydrogen-powered aircraft by 2035. Ampere has opened its new headquarters at Long Beach Airport, Los Angeles, to support team growth and electric aircraft innovation, strengthening its commitment to eco-friendly flight. Skyport's drone services and Royal Mail extended their Orkney drone delivery service until February 2026, enhancing mail delivery speed and reliability for remote communities. Introl launched enhanced firefighting training simulators, now available for all mission-capable models, helping pilots tackle wildfires with advanced realistic simulations. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.